Hey there, fantastic viewers! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an intriguing topic that many of you have asked for. We're going to explore how to make a woman chase after you sexually. Now, before we begin, remember that building healthy relationships is all about mutual respect and consent. So, let's get started. Segment 1: Self-confidence. The first step in igniting attraction is self-confidence. When you exude self-assuredness, you become a magnetic force, making a woman naturally want to know more about you. Segment 2: Mystery and intrigue. Creating an air of mystery can be irresistible. Share parts of yourself gradually, leaving her curious and intrigued, making her want to chase after those hidden layers. Segment 3: Pursue your passions. Being passionate about your hobbies and interests is not only appealing, but it also gives you a unique allure. A woman is more likely to chase after someone who's genuinely engaged in life. Segment 4: Playful teasing. Playful teasing can create a light-hearted dynamic. It's about striking a balance between light humor and respect, sparking a flirtatious energy that she'll want to engage with. Segment 5: Show genuine interest. Demonstrating genuine interest in her life is a powerful tactic. Ask about her dreams, ambitions, and experiences, showing that you value her thoughts and feelings. Segment 6: Create memorable experiences. Shared experiences create strong connections. Plan fun and memorable outings that leave a lasting impression, making her eager to spend more time with you. Segment 7: Challenge and growth. A little challenge can be intriguing. Encourage her growth and challenge her in a respectful way, inspiring her to prove herself and chase after your attention. Segment 8: Emotional connection. Building an emotional connection is essential. Share your thoughts and feelings, allowing her to open up as well, fostering a deeper bond that she won't want to let go of. Segment 9: Support her ambitions. Be her biggest supporter. When you encourage her dreams and ambitions, she'll naturally gravitate towards your positivity and the belief you have in her. Segment 10: Respect and communication. Above all, treat her with respect and communicate openly. Show that you value her boundaries and opinions, creating a safe space where she'll feel comfortable chasing after you. And that concludes our guide on how to make a woman chase after you sexually. Remember, building a connection is a two-way street based on respect and consent. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, go out there and create those genuine connections that lead to something truly meaningful. See you soon.